Hi, my name is Jaykant Reddy and I'm a student of Edinburgh Napier University, and this is my ID card representing that. And I'm doing this presentation for my model program for web, and it requires me to create a homepage. And in this video I'll be showing you the homepage and the coding behind that. Thank you. So here is the homepage folder. There are different folders that are being put up. As you can see, there's an abstract folder, and it's also images folder, which these are the images that are put up in the home page, which you can see in the home page. These are different type of controllers which form the backend, and everything is done by ASP.MVC. And these are the different packages that are being used. As you can see, jQuery, Bootstrap, MVC has been used here. So from these, we can go through the Visual Studio Code link where you can see the code, the creation of the home page. So yeah, here is the Visual Studio. I use Visual Studio because the MVC application is already default in it, and it kinds of make my work easier in it. And the top right corner, you can see the Solution Explorer. So if you see the Solution Explorer, the different types of packages and database models that are being used for the creation of the home page, as you can see here. So let's take the controllers. Controllers are being done by ASP.MVC. So from the home controller, account controllers, cost list admin controller, among the few. So I mean, the fact how the controller works is basically there are views, there are models, there are the database. So I mean, whenever we put up a request, it initially the controller fetches the request. So it gets the data from the model, and it should be sent to the appropriate view. So the view again acts as a front end, and the controller is the what controls in the back end. And as I was mentioning, it has all been done by ASP.NET MVC. So for example, let us say you're giving a controller, I mean, if you want to see the contact page, so how can we see the contact page here? Initially, the controller fetches the data, and it shows it requests the home page, and in home page there's a subfolder called contact page, as you can see over here. What is that? Yeah, over here. So the home page, let us open the contact pages here. So yeah, it got open. So in the home page there's a subfolder in the contact page. So the controller kind of gets to the database and fetches us the very page the user is intended to view. So that is how it works. Everything, the front end and back end works in unison. They should have a common thread among both. So after these by the use of all the coding, it is a home page is being created. So now let us see how the home page functionalities are. Hmm. So yeah, this is the home page, and you can see the cost trending is the name of that. So, and this you can see are the trending causes now, and this is some description about the home page, and the copyright is changed up to date, that has been set in the coding. And you can see here you can also connect through Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And whenever I'm hovering them, the color is being changed. And here the name, the trending cause is highlighted when the cursor is moved above it. So when you go to the trending cause and if you click on it, it will direct you to the home page. So here you can also share the cause that you like. There is an option that is being given. So when you click upon the share, it directs you to the Facebook of your profile, and you can just log in to your Facebook, and you can be able to share the cause that you like. So that is how it works. And so now back to the home page, and there is also a button called, there is also a link called, you can also participate in the cause. So if you want to, if you're interested and if you want to eligible yourself, there's a participate cause. And for that you have to have a member login. You have to be a member so that you could be, you're authenticated, you're verified, and you can be participating in the cause and help the cause. And now it's going back to the home page again. So here we can see the signature causes, a cause, add cause, about page, and the contact page if you ever want to contact it. The signature causes shows us what are the current signatures that are in. The add cause shows, like, if you're interested to add a cause, you can be a member and you can add it up. And about section gives a description. The contact, there is an email ID that has been provided, you can contact to the team of the trending causes. And as I was mentioning, if you want to add cause, or if you want to participate in a cause, or if you want to show yourself in this website, in this home, in this organization, or in the supporting of the causes, you have to have a registered member. For suppose you're giving a random mail ID which is not existing, and if you give a password which you're not set up by for authentication, the database fetches it, and it goes to server and checks it, and it will not allow you if it is not a legitimate mail ID that has been registered. So we have to give a legitimate mail ID in order to be a part of, be a member of this of this homepage of this website. So for that to add yourself as a member, you have to register. So let us see let us see let us give my name Jay. Let us give my email ID. I have to give a authentic one, or else it will not accept it. So I'm giving you a password now. So entering the password. I'm doing this process so that I can participate in the classes. I can be a member. I can be legitimately authorized by the home, by the website. So for suppose, let's say that I'm filling out everything, but I'm not filling the location. Let's see what the server does. It says this field is mandatory and it is to be filled. If suppose any field, every field has to be filled. So I'm filling it up again. If you're not filling it, it will not encourage you to get through the page. I'm keeping the password again. And as soon as you register, you can see your name over here. Your name will be reflected over here. That means you're accepted, and that's now your home page, and you can do involved in it. Let us give the password again and let us log in. See, as I'm mentioning here, it came as jkant31 cool1 at the rate of gmail.com, and your membership has been created. And let's say if you want to add a course, so let's give a title. Let's give a title: Feed the Poor. Description. For now, we're giving that. Let us choose a file, appropriate file, so that now you're a member. So you can also create a cause so that people could encourage and help whatever that is being needed, that is being possible by them. And let us select the appropriate image for this. I got saved in my laptop already, and let us create it. And as you can see, a new one is being created over here right now in this demo. Right now it is being created. So let us go to the home page. See, as you can see, okay, it is being created double times, but yeah, as you can see, a new one is being created here right now. Okay, so that is about the add course. You already added a course and it's being showing here, and it is being in the trending list, and other people can also participate in this course, share course. Of course, there has to be a member for that. And now if you want, you can just log out, and now I will show you the admin details, and if that admin can control the overall page, the members and everyone. So let us do the admin details here. Admin is the one who controls everything in the web page. So let's give the password for the admin. See, as I was mentioning, admin can see who are the members in here. As you can see, a new member has been added, Jay, just now. So if you want, he can delete the member from here, or else you can just go back to the list from here. You can see what are the causes has been there, and he can see how his page is getting run. And you can, if you want to delete, he just can delete it, or he can just go back to the list from here. So he's the one who controls it. He's the one who is in charge here. You can see, if you want, he can also put the most essential one signature cause over here. So basically with this home page, we can encourage people to participate in a cause. We can encourage people to create a cause. We can encourage people to see, how this page works. We can, they can always be put in the loop, and they can also contact the support staff, and they can also encourage other people to join in it by participating in the cause. So this website is for everyone who feels like they have to make a difference and help the cause. So this is my presentation. Hopefully you like this presentation, and this is the end of it. Thank you.